So good. So good. So good. So good. Make sure my edges, make sure my edges together, Okay, alright. Okay. Don't, don't nobody tell me nothing. You don't need no cake. You don't need no cake. You don't need no cake. Cake lies.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Coolie is back in the building. And today I'm doing something really quick for you, okay? So this is for people who like you craving something sweet, you want something a little sweet, but you still want to eat healthy stuff. So when you ever in that situation, your best friend is gonna be dates. It's gonna be dates, right? So if you never had a date, it's it kind of looks like a giant prune, but it doesn't taste like a prune. It's really sweet. And this for me, y'all, this almost tastes like cake for me. So I don't know what why I don't know why we gotta be eating cake. Oh, pro tip: whenever you eating a date, don't ever just take a date and bite it. Don't do that because sometimes you might get a bad one, and inside of it has like mold and it's powdery, like it's bad. And sometimes you might come across a couple that it might have a bug in it. So you might want to not do that whenever you deal with dates. Just cut them, or what you could do is just take them and split them down like that. Just pull them apart, almost. Just pull them apart, and we do that so we could take the seed out. Take the seed out and get rid of the seed. So you have halves now, right? I'm gonna do the same thing with these. So just split them down, just like that. Remove the seed, just like that, right? So this kind of tastes, y'all. This kind of tastes like a Danish to me. I don't know. I eat this when I feel like really like I need something sweet. You know, there's no reason for cake. There's no reason for apple pie. All right. And so you got that, and this just two ingredients. This is just two ingredients. It's just the dates and some nut butter. So you could use whatever nut butter you want. I would use almond butter if you really like something sweet, because almond butter pairs very well with very sweet things. Um, so I'm gonna go in with some almond butter on that. And so what you're gonna do is kind of like just stuff them almost, if that makes sense. So let me grab a spoon and I guess some almond butter, mix it up a little bit because it's separated a bit. And then I'm just gonna just plop some almond butter down on each date, and literally, y'all, that's it. And this tastes good. Like, don't think I'm trying to play you. Like, I'm out here, like, I'm telling you, okay? I used to eat chocolate chip cookies and ice cream and all this stuff, okay? So I had me a really bad sweet tooth that I had to get rid of, and this helped me. This helped me, okay? So if you're dealing with something like diabetes or one of those like metabolic conditions, you definitely want to, go light on things like dried fruit and dates and really sweet fruits like bananas, things like that. But if you just, you just come into the lifestyle, you're looking for something super sweet to eat, just to like finish your day off or finish your meal off or whatever the case may be, you could go ahead and do this and you'd be good. Like, you'd be good. So dates are really good for like prunes, they're really good for the bowels and constipation and things like that. So they do have nutrients and all that good stuff. So um, they do have some good stuff in there, magnesium, potassium, good things, good things. All right. Okay. All right. And then that's it. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I tried to, like, I can't make a longer video because this is all it is. Like, you just take them, and then I suppose I could plate these up, but listen. I know, chef. But then that's it. You just take it like this, and kids will love this. It's like candy for kids. Don't even play me. My niece, listen, child, you just take that and you just eat it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Keep loving yourself. Keep healing. Peace. It might not look like the best thing, but it tastes like the best thing. Ain't that all that matters? Yo, to this cake, like, this remind me of when, growing up when you get those little danishes from the delis. This is what this remind me of. Now, some people think dates look like roaches, and I thought that same thing. So if you're looking at these dates and you're thinking, damn, that looks like a roach, Amrita, I thought the very same thing. But go ahead, give it a try. You might fall in love. You might be able to find your chocolate chip cookie substitute. Okay, you might be able to find your cake substitute if you got a sweet tooth. All right, so try it out, y'all. You will never know until you try, child. So do it, do it, do it. Peace, y'all. Love you.